Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Hostinger versus GoDaddy. Two of the biggest names in web hosting, Hostinger and GoDaddy. But which one should you choose in 2025? Whether you are launching your first website, starting an online business, or migrating from another host, this video is going to break it all down. Pricing, performance, features, support, and more. Stick around to the end for my final verdict, and for now let's dive right in. Hosting plans and pricing. Now let's start with what most people look at first, pricing. In 2025, both Hostinger and GoDaddy offer shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, and more. But Hostinger is definitely the more affordable option. Hostinger's basic shared hosting starts at $3 per month and includes one website, 50 GB SSD storage, and weekly backups. GoDaddy's similar plan is around $7 per month. While it offers more storage, backups, and security features, costs bottom line, if you are on a budget or launching a simple website, Hostinger wins here. But pricing is only one piece of the puzzle. Performance and uptime. Next, performance. In 2025, speed and uptime are everything, especially with Google's Core Web Vitals in play. So how do these two stack up? Hostinger has data centers in the US, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Their average page load speed is around 350 to 400 milliseconds with a 99.98 uptime guarantee. GoDaddy has also improved with an average speed of around 500 milliseconds and a 99.9 uptime, but they have had more recent reports of server hiccups during peak traffic hours. So if speed and reliability matter to you, and they should, Hostinger has a slight edge here as well. Features and tools. When it comes to features, both platforms offer one-click WordPress installs, free SSL, and domain registration. But there are some key differences. Hostinger, built-in panel, intuitive and beginner-friendly, includes freely weekly backups, malware scanner, Git integration, and AI website builder. Free domain for 1 year on most plans. GoDaddy uses a more traditional cPanel setup. Their website builder is solid, but not as flexible as Hostinger's tools. Backups and advanced security features often come as paid add-ons. Verdict: Hostinger offers more value out of the box, especially for developers or DIY site builders. Customer support. Support can make or break your experience. In 2025, both platforms have stepped up their game, but there are still differences. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat, knowledge base, and email support. No phone support though. GoDaddy provides 24/7 phone and chat support, which is great for users who prefer calling. That said, Hostinger's reps tend to be more technical and faster in resolving complex issues, while GoDaddy's support can feel more sales-wise at times. So it depends. If you prefer phone support, GoDaddy might be better, but overall, Hostinger has stronger technical support. Domain and email services. Now let's talk about domains and email. GoDaddy is actually more popular for domain registration and offers robust domain management tools. Hostinger includes free domain registration with most plans, but they do not have the same domain marketplace or bulk tools. Email. Hostinger includes free email accounts with hosting, while GoDaddy may charge separately depending on the plan. If domain buying and selling is your thing, GoDaddy still leads. But for all-in-one website email setups, Hostinger wins. Security and backups. Security is crucial, especially with increasing cyber attacks. Hostinger provides free SSL, malware scanner, DDoS protection, and weekly backups included. GoDaddy gives you SSL, but malware protection and daily backups require extra payment unless you are on a premium plan. Winner, Hostinger again, provides more built-in security without upselling you at every step. Final verdict. Now time for the final verdict. Who wins in 2025? Hostinger or GoDaddy? Hostinger wins in pricing, speed and uptime, features, security, and developer tools. GoDaddy wins in phone support and domain management. So here's the deal. If you are looking for a fast, affordable, and beginner-friendly hosting solution in 2025, Hostinger is the better all-around choice. But if managing lots of domains or having phone support is the top priority, GoDaddy might suit you better. And that's all for today's comparison. I hope this comparison was useful to you all. If you find this video helpful, please support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching, share this video with your friends, and see you in a new video.